Hi children. So in the last class we learned the new words, the lesson who's lazy me, and today we are going to start the meaning. Who's lazy me means who is lazy than rabbit. So let us begin. It's a common belief that rabbits are very lazy, is it? You know all about rabbit. Rabbits are very lazy because that they hate work. They hate do the work because and if somebody could provide them their daily bread food, and they would be the happiest creature on the earth. So somebody means somebody they will give some food them, they are the happiest creatures on the earth because they will not do the work. They do not want to do the something work, and somebody could give them food, they will eat and they will be quiet. Let us read the story of Rolf Rabbit and decide for ourselves if this is true. The rabbit name is Rolf. Yes, this is true or not. Let us see in this lesson. Rolf Rabbit had traveled all over the land and he knew the elephant and the rhinoceros and the giraffe and the kangaroo and the deer and the zebra and the tortoise and the snake, but the animals. So Ralph Rabbit know these all animals, but the animals lived so far from each other that none of them knew the other existence. So Ralph Rabbit had traveled all over the land. He knew elephant, rhinoceros, giraffe, kangaroo, deer, zebra, tortoise, and snake. But the all animals lived so far from each other. They will not live together. They will live far from each other, and they had never met or seen each other. Yes, they had never met or each other. According to the elephant, it was the only animal on the earth apart from the rabbit and the giraffe and the rhinoceros and the tortoise. They all thought the same. Yes. Next, Ralph Rabbit had found a very big pocket of corn in one of his wandering trips. Ralph Rabbit had found one very big pocket of corn is when he gone to wandering. He was fond of corn. He was very fond of corn because the corn is very tasty. He wanted to eat them, but the seeds had to be planted. Yes, the seeds had to be planted. He went to the elephant and said, "The corn needs planting. We animals should help one another. If you push down the trees to clear the ground, I will burn them." Yes, the Ralph is telling to the elephant, the corn needs planting. We all are animals. If you help me, I will give you some corn. Yes, like this he told. The elephant's work is now the clearing the ground to planting the corn. The first we should clear the ground, and the rabbit will burn them. And elephant agreed and set to work at once. The elephant agreed that he will clear the ground. Okay. He spent the whole day pushing down the trees with huge head and body. Yes, the elephant took whole one day to clear the ground with the trunk and body. It was hard work as there was many trees. Yes, many trees were there in the ground. He cleared that ground, and it took him the whole day to do it. By the end of the day, he had cleared the ground. Yes, he took whole one day to clear the ground, and at the end of the day he cleared. Next, Ralph Rabbit then went to Giraffe and said, "I have done all the hard." Yes, next Ralph Rabbit went to the giraffe and said that I have done all uprooting the trees to clear the ground. Yes, he has done that. He had cleared the ground. Now, if you burn off all the timber, we will be ready to plant the corn. Yes, said that. The Ralph Rabbit said to the giraffe, that I have cleared the ground. So, if you burn the timber, we will plant the corn. So, children, let us end today's this class this much. So, in the next class, we will start from here. So, children, read one page in your notebook what I have been completed today. This much you have to read in your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.